looking at some weird lures and some of my favorites, to be honest with you. First up, obviously, we got the broken back rat lure. Some spinner baits. The hula popper. I don't use this much. I don't catch stuff on it that much. Just like a weird lure to me. You got the chatterbait with the Senko. That's one of my favorites to use. And then we got this thing. I have no idea what it's called. Comment below what you think it is. And you got the Carolina rig, the little Carolina rig. And now some crankbaits and stuff like that. You got the lipless, the Rick Carlson square bill, little H2O Express square bill, some poppers, and then some interesting I found while I was fishing are some gar teeth. I don't know what, but I don't know what happened if somebody just killed one with a bow, or they just died and somehow they got on the rock. And then I got these crawdads. I got more. Got way more. Got this one. Got these. Got some swim baits. Paddle tails. And yeah, that's it for today.